watching this video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location here is identified attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen is like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Food categories of rooms are available online. Some offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room for this hotel, then you can tell us while the meeting will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are